How to log out in Discord PC. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you want to switch into another account or log out of your personal account from your PC's Discord application, here is a quick tutorial. So for this, first of all, open the Discord application that you have downloaded. Now, if you see on the bottom left corner, you have your username along with a settings icon. Tap on the gear icon to open the user settings. On this page, you will see a list of options on the left side panel. Scroll down a bit and on the bottom you have the logout option. Tap on it and it will ask for confirmation. Tap on the logout button and you're good to go. Additionally, you have other settings on the same page as well. There is the account removal option whereby you can disable or delete your account. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.